Hey everyone, today I have this Kia Sportage and I'm going to show you how to read the airbag code and how to perform the airbag coding just in case of any accident if you have to replace the airbag control module. So basically on any Kia and Hyundai vehicle after 2011, if you replace the airbag control module, you have to perform the airbag coding. So this procedure is going to help you to find the code and it's going to let you know how to perform the coding. So first of all, I have the scan tool. My VCI is already connected to OBD2 connector. So the first thing I need to do is to read the code. But you want to make sure that you read the code on old airbag control module. Before replacing the old airbag control module, you have to connect your scan tool, find the software management. On some scan tools, instead of software management, you have a special function. So select the car. This car is Sportage 2012. All right, so you need to select the system that you are after, which is airbag. All right, here's the airbag. So you have the ACU or airbag control unit variant coding. This is exactly what you use for coding. But first of all, you need to read the code on old airbag control module before replacement. So you go for system identification. All right, so here's first of all the part number. You can use the part number for ordering a new part, and what you need is variant code SL48. This is exactly the airbag code. So you need to read this code on old airbag control module. Just write it somewhere because you're gonna need this one when you perform the airbag coding on new airbag control module. So first of all, we have the part number here for ordering new part, and we have the code here for performing the coding. And right after replacing your airbag control module, when you have a new control unit installed, this time you select ACU variant coding. So ignition switch must be on, engine off. And when you press OK, you just need to press OK again because you have some description here. This function is to alter the setting of ECU or airbag control module according to its specification when ACU is replaced. I press OK. All right, as you see, variant code, I need to enter the code right here, SL48. And if I press OK, that's going to be my coding or airbag programming procedure, which is super easy. You only need to have the airbag code and you can read it the same way as I explained. Thank you very much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.